Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. I am once again with you with the important information regarding application form filling. Uh, I will discuss in this video what issues and technical glitches that you are getting while doing the application form of filling, and what could be the expected score that you need to set as your target to qualify, when the edit window will open, and what option you will have available to edit. Can you do the edit? Is edit window available for documents and all? Yeah, it's available. What are the fields will be editable? What fields won't be able to edit? Okay, more test city is going to be added, as I know from the NBA sources, and they have also mentioned regarding it in their prospectus. And if you want to avail our paid services, you can avail the paid services from now. You will get so many advantage. All the information will be shared with you, all the updates, and when the counseling starts, your counseling will be guided by our expert counselor. So you can call on 9319128677 to avail our paid services. Now get started. There are few issues candidates were facing. OTP not received, payment they have done but payment didn't reflect, and they are asking, the system is asking to do the payment again. They have done mistakes in few fields, category is not filled properly, and other details related qualification and all. So if you haven't received the OTP, so wait for some time, wait for one day. Few candidates got the OTP by midnight, after 12 o'clock midnight. If the payment is done and it's not reflected, you have waited enough, you can do the payment again. The previous payment will get refunded. And if you have done any mistake, apart from 4 fields, what are the 4 fields? Nationality, test city, name and email ID. All other fields are editable. So entire application form is editable. Even the documents can be uploaded. I will discuss and I will give you the date when it can be done. So don't worry about that. Minimum marks you have to score to qualify. Last year the exam had happened, out of 1200 you had to score. This time out of 800 you have to score to qualify. Based on our analysis, you need to have a score between 225 to 250 to qualify the exam. Okay, now coming to the edit window. So edit window is available between 19th March to 21st of March. You can edit all the fields apart from these 4: name of the candidate, nationality, email ID and test city. These fields are not editable, because based on these fields only they set their next process and they won't allow to edit. What fields are editable? If you haven't chose category properly, so you can edit category. There might be many issues candidates might get. In the state they come from some category, that is state specific category, and at national level they are under EWS or some other category, so they have the liberty to choose EWS while filling the form. If they fall under particular category in states like Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, they will definitely falling under that category and they can get benefit of it. But here you can use your general category out of EWS, OBC, SC, ST, general. Okay, date of birth you can change. Gender, if you have done any kind of mistake, you can change. Qualifying detail, qualification details, passing year, and passing all the details related to MBBS 10th 12th. MCI registration details you can change. Physical disability status, if you haven't got your certificate by the time you are filling the application, and later you realize that you need to change it, then you can change it definitely. Internship details, completion date and all you can change. Passing years, correspondent address, permanent address, these all fields are editable. I would say apart from name, email ID, test city and nationality, all other information are editable. So entire form is editable apart from these 4. Coming to the documents you have uploaded, photograph, signature and thumb impression. These photographs were required to upload. If you have done any kind of mistake in these, they give you the timeline to edit these fields, these documents also. Between 2nd of April to 4th of April, you can upload your photograph, signature and thumb impression once again. So before you get the admit card, they give you option to edit all the fields apart from 4 that I mentioned. Few candidates have called us that in the initial few days only they don't see their they don't see option for their test city in their states like Karnataka, Kerala, Assam and some other states. The test city are already occupied. In that case, what best you can do, in the prospectus they have mentioned there is option to select others. What they will do, they will add some more test cities, as I getting to hear from the sources, NV sources. And when you add others, so probably by 25th or 26th of March they will happen to have additional test cities, and based on your corresponding address they will select the nearest test city and allocate to you. It will be communicated to you through your communication medium, corresponding address, email ID, phone number, anything. So you can select others instead of, suppose you come from Karnataka and you don't have any test city available in Karnataka, you have to select nearby states. So instead of selecting nearby states, you can select others. That is an option, it's up to you. And if they happen to add more test cities in Karnataka, so those candidates who have selected others, they have chance to get their test cities in Karnataka only in case it's added. Okay, so that's one option. And so pretty much this much I wanted to share with you. I will create one more video with other details, how you need to plan your studies preparation, where you need to focus more and where you should focus less, and what should be your strategies, what you should focus on, what papers, which exam patterns you should try to follow apart from NEET PG. So all those details I will share in separate video. Until now, this is it from my side. If you have any kind of question, you can message me in the comment box of the channel, and you can call us for the paid services. So thanks for watching guys, and have a nice day. Goodbye.